everyone. Today I'm going to create a cup hanger holder situation. I picked up these knobs from TJ Maxx for $7.99. I've already used 4 of them, so I'm just going to use these 4 and drill this here. What I'm going to use, I'm going to pre-drill my holes, and then I'm going to use this leftover black paint that I used for my wall over there. So this is going to go up here, tuck nicely. I already cut it to the size that I wanted earlier, and now I'm gonna get started. All right, folks, so these are my knobs. I just did like a cup check just to like make sure that it's actually gonna like go in here, and it doesn't. So that just tells me I'll have to buy new cups because I'm not changing out these knobs because I want to do this project now. But yeah, so I'm thinking about that. So I'm gonna just mark and pre-drill. I did have to take out this little leveler, not to level it, but it has like this measuring situation here. I'm just gonna draw a line because I want the pre-drills to be straight and I don't want it to be zigzag. So I'll just mark and pre-drill. All right, so this is roughly 22 and some change, 22.5 maybe, 22 and 5/7. I'm not gonna do that measurement. I'm gonna do 22 divided by 4. So I have 4 knobs and I'm roughing this about 22. So I'm gonna go, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take my black paint here and I'm gonna go ahead and start painting this. Hey folks, so I realized after I pretty much finished the video that I lost some footage where I actually drilled into the wood. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just use the drill bit, drill into pre-drill into your wood, especially if you're going to anchor into the wall. You don't want it to split. So after you have your knobs there, I would pre-drill like 2 or 3 additional holes where you're actually going to screw it into the wall. And I think that was pretty much it. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory, but if there is questions, if anyone has any questions, feel free to comment below or message me. All right.